morning. It's Mark Leibovit, Monday, November 2nd. Hopefully you had an exciting Halloween. Here we are on Metastock looking at Valeant this morning. That's VRX. But first, you're looking at the homepage at vrtrader.com. Without going into all the details, I encourage you to check vrtrader.com for our various newsletters, our new Vice letter, our Gold letter, our Platinum, Silver, and of course our book, The Trader's Book Volume. Meanwhile, I want to encourage you, as I have already, to check in with us on Saturday mornings, 10 a.m. Eastern. I host the Wall Street Raw radio show on the Genesis Communication Network. That's gcnlive.com, gcnlive.com on Saturday mornings, but you can still pick it up on an archive if you don't catch it live on Saturday mornings. Here at Metastock, we offer my volume reversal toolkit on a free trial. It involves 3 versions of my volume reversal indicator. The sequential, which posts all positive VRs, the directional, which filters out repetitive volume reversals, and our 2-day version, which is based on the premise that following a negative or positive VR, you tend to get movement in that direction for a couple of trading days. So 3 versions all come with the volume reversal toolkit, and again, a free trial is offered, so I encourage you to sign up at your earliest convenience. Let's jump over to Valeant. It's been in the story last couple weeks here, pretty much on CNBC, just apparently every day. It's almost nauseating already. That's all we hear about is Valeant. In any event, no big secrets here. There were a lot of trading plays along the way. What you're looking at is the screen that I use every day, and this is my sequential screen posting all negative and positive VRs. You have the green 200-day moving average, the blue 50-day moving average, and my 533 stochastic here. And that's pretty much all I use. You can see here a preponderance of negative volume reversals indicating the downtrend, but more importantly, there were some nice little trades along the way, confirmed by that 533 stochastic. So here, going way back to let's check the first one out here. Well, it looks like about August 17th, negative VR, downtrending stochastic. You had a nice couple of day play there. You had maybe a 1-day play here. No signal here of any consequence with a neutral 533, but here we had a couple really nice trades. Negative VRs coming in September, around September 22nd, confirmed by a downtrending 533 stochastic. This one was flat, so it was a 50-50 because we didn't see a lot of confirmation, but we certainly got a lot of confirmation here in mid-October, and certainly before the biggest, most recent break. Here's a little positive ER formed here on October 14th, but as you can see, the stochastic is going down, so I would not have been inclined to take the trade, particularly when you look at all the other negative VRs. So I wasn't interested in the contra trend play, and it wasn't a clear signal, but along the way, there were plenty of trades here. Let's flip to the weekly chart, because many of you ask about different time frames, and beautiful negative VR here on October 2nd, the week of October 2nd. And, you know, if you stay with it for a couple weeks here, you had a huge break to the downside. You know, we're talking about here a stock that even the low of that week was 152, and it got as low as, what, 90? So big potential here if you're just patient for a couple bars or a couple of weeks and look at that 533 stochastic and a downtrend. Going back, there were some positive trades. The VR works in both directions. You know, here we had a positive VR in July, and you had an uptrending stochastics for 2-3 weeks or so. 4 weeks you had an uptrending pattern. So the key is to tie it in with the 533, and you have to make a decision. Are you in this for a longer pull on a weekly chart or for just a couple 3 bars? And that's pretty much what I do on the daily chart, is I'm just looking for the trades. And you know, regardless of the news, you knew something was going on here. So a very important indicator. And again, I hope that you take advantage of the free trial here at Metastock and sign up. And we'll catch you on our next update. Have a pleasant and great week.